Hey everybody, Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Today it's another episode of 3 Valve Wednesday. Really cool. This 08 GT right here laid down 540 rural horsepower. We're going to watch a dyno pull. As always, we'll go down, tell you all the mods it took to get there. So hey, if you haven't subscribed and notified, stay up to date. See cool shop tour videos, cool dyno videos. We're always doing something here at Brenspeed. Doug, let's go check it out. All right, so here's what we have going on this 08 GT. It arrived, already had a lot of mods on it. It's a road race car. Goes out, hits the road course, and you can kind of tell by looking at the engine compartment, it definitely is getting some use. But we installed the Novi 2200 supercharger. Doug, let's go take a look. It's our Brenspeed package. It's the Novi 2200. Coming in at about 11 pounds of boost roughly. So what do you get in that? Well, you're going to get 47-pound fuel injectors. You're going to get a Kinney Bell boosted pump, Kohler spark plugs, and the proper calibration to make everything work. Even if you already have all the other mods I'm getting ready to tell you that's already on this, which is a set of delete plates, 4-performance throttle body. It's got some BBK long tubes and a set of aftermarket camshafts. But while it's here, we also installed a big AFCO radiator, high flow cooling fan, and 160 thermostat to help keep that engine nice and cool out on the road course. Check out this dyno pull. So if you wonder what it costs to get something like this installed, you simply email quote@brenspeed.com. And as always, in that description, I'll have links to a lot of the parts we just talked about, so you can read a lot more about it. Doug, check this out. DynoJet SAE, manual transmission, 541 roll horsepower, peaking about 6,500 RPM. Torque comes in 456, peaking at 5,200 RPM. Killer numbers, about the max we like to run on a stock engine. If a lot of you wonder, is that too crazy for a stock engine? I will put a link to a video at the end that explains all about it. And no, it's not too crazy. That's honestly right where I'd like to be. Hey, Doug, we also installed a Magnum conversion on this. So it's not the factory manual transmission. We have the Magnum in it now. I think this is a cool looking car. I really like the wheels. And I think out on the road course, it's going to work really well. A lot of you ask, hey, what supercharger do you recommend for, out on a road course? Do I get an Edelbrock? Do I get a Paxton? Well, it kind of depends what you want. A lot of people run the Paxton HO. It's a really good supercharger. I think it's going to cool really well out on the road course. The thing with the Edelbrock is when you go wide open throttle, you got to remember you're getting peak torque, probably very early RPM. So you better be able to put that power down to the ground coming around the corners. So this is a really good setup. So I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Leave a comment. If you have questions, we're happy to answer. Don't forget to subscribe, notify, and email quote@brenspeed.com. What's it cost to get installed? And as always, we can ship all these parts right to your door on brenspeed.com. Thanks for watching.